in my better hands. Caught my first tagged fish. Alright, what's up Extreme River Fishers? Welcome to Mac's Extreme River Fishing and Outdoors. I'm Mac. I tell you, I'm at Falls Dam on the Noose River. They took out a dam 2 years ago downstream, and now the shad can run upstream. They've been catching a few. They caught a few last year. They're catching some more this year. They've been on pictures, but one's not to my knowledge never been on video. So I'm gonna try to be the first to get one on video. So anyway, stay tuned and I'll be right back, hopefully with a nice old shad on video. All right guys, I made it. I'll be throwing my tandem rig of these pink headed 1/8 ounce jigs and the white 2-inch curly tails. I'm just gonna cast it out in the current, let it drift down, giving it little twitches every now and then, and hoping I don't get snagged. I'm just trying for one shad on video. See if we can do that. There's a lot of people here today. I've seen some people snag some gizzard shad accidentally, but we don't want gizzard shad. We want American or hickory shad. There's a fish. What I got? There's a fish. What we got? Guys, that's a gizzard shad. That's a gizzard shad on a lure. That's not what we want. Not what we want. Let's try this again. He hit it. That gizzard shad hit that fish. He was hooked right at the lip. And gizzard shad stink too. But we're gonna keep trying. Maybe I'll get one before dark. I'm gonna keep trying. I've been at this spot several times and hadn't caught one. Come on, fish. There's a bump. Probably there's thousands of gizzard shad stacked up in here, but that's not what we want. Fish on. Come on, be a white shad. Come on, baby. Not what I'm after. That is not what I'm after. But we'll take it. White bass. Not a bad little white bass. But guys, that's not what we're after. Hey guys, there's a nice white bass I caught. Trying to catch an American shad. That's a good looking white bass, but that's not what we're after. But that's a good fish. Let's get him back in the water and get back to shad fishing. Hitting that right there. I don't know if this is a white bass or the shad. Feels like it's a white bass. Ah, yeah, another white bass. a good white bass here, buddies. Put this rod down. That's a good white bass right there. We got a hole in him. Something got him. Let me take a picture for Instagram. Y'all need to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the bottom of my Instagram account. But yeah, that's a good white bass right here, but that's not what we're after, guys. But we'll put him back. It's a fat sucker. There you go. On again, guys. Fish on. Huh. Little largemouth. Look at that, guys. Little largemouth. Hope you can see that. It's getting pretty dark. Little bitty largemouth. I'm catching everything but what I want. So we'll put him back. Alright, hey everyone, thanks for watching. We didn't get our intended quarry today, which is the American shad on video. But we caught a couple of really nice white bass. Caught a small bass, I don't know if you can see it, it's right at dark. And actually caught a gizzard shad in the mouth. Was kind of weird. Most people snag them like crazy here, but this one was caught in the mouth. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, look in the description and follow me on Instagram. And also, most important, is hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all guys on the next video.